Ever thought a simple bag of salt could become your secret household superhero? It can, and you probably have it sitting in your cupboard right now. We're talking about Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. This humble mineral was first discovered in the 17th century in a town called Epsom in England, and it's been wowing people ever since. It's cheap, natural, and ridiculously versatile. Knowing its unexpected uses can save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Today we're racing through 8 mind-blowing uses for Epsom salt that few people know about. From a pain-free splinter remedy to a game-changing garden hack, we've got you covered. And make sure you stick around for all 8. The last one might just give you the best hair day ever. Ready? Let's dive in. Got a stubborn splinter? You really don't want to dig out with a needle. Good news. Epsom salt can do the hard work for you. For a pain-free removal, dissolve about 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a cup of warm water and soak the affected area. How does it work? The magnesium-rich salt increases the osmotic pressure on your skin, which gently coaxes the splinter to the surface. At the same time, it reduces inflammation around the splinter, so the area won't get as swollen, and the tiny wood shard slides out more easily. The result? You can often pluck the splinter out without any digging or pain. Who knew removing a splinter could be almost too easy? Believe it or not, Epsom salt doubles as a gentle, all-purpose cleaner around the house. Stuck on grime on your cookware? Soap scum in the shower tile grout? Epsom salt to the rescue. Its coarse texture makes it a natural abrasive that scrubs away gunk without scratching surfaces. For example, sprinkle some Epsom salt into a greasy pan or baking dish and scrub lightly. Stuck-on food comes off easier, with no harsh chemicals needed. And for dirty grout lines, mix equal parts Epsom salt and liquid dish soap to create a powerful scouring paste. Apply it to the tile grout, give it a little elbow grease, and watch those dingy lines brighten up. The best part? It's an environmentally friendly cleaning alternative. No bleach, no fumes. Just a naturally clean kitchen and bathroom. Who knew your bath salt could leave your home sparkling? Mosquito bites, poison ivy rashes, even a nasty sunburn. They all itch or burn like crazy, right? Epsom salt to the rescue again. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory powers, Epsom salt can bring quick relief to irritated skin. It helps reduce redness, swelling, and that urge to scratch. For bug bites or poison ivy, try this trick. Dissolve about half a cup of Epsom salt in a bowl of warm water, pour it into a spray bottle, and spritz it on the itchy area. Almost instantly, the itchiness eases up. For a painful sunburn, you can do something similar. Mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt into a cup of cool water and gently spray or pat it on your sun-baked skin. The Epsom salt compress calms the inflammation and takes out some of the sting. Relief without expensive creams or lotions. Next time you're dealing with bites or burns, you'll know a simple salt solution can save the day. Ah, much better. Why spend a fortune at the spa when Epsom salt can work wonders for your skin? This mineral is a fantastic DIY exfoliant. Just add a pinch of Epsom salt to your regular face wash and gently massage in circles. The gritty texture helps scrub away dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your face softer and smoother. But it doesn't stop at exfoliation. Epsom salt can also help combat acne. It naturally contains antibacterial and antifungal properties, which means it fights off the germs that cause pimples. Using it in your cleanser, or as a mild toner mixed with water, may reduce breakouts and calm redness. Some folks even use an Epsom salt solution to help draw out stubborn blackheads. mixing a teaspoon of Epsom salt in hot water with a drop of iodine is one home remedy. Who needs fancy skincare products when a $5 bag of Epsom salt can get you glowing? Your skin will be saying thank you for this one. All right, let's talk about a more delicate issue: constipation. It turns out Epsom salt can even help get your digestive system back on track. In fact, pure magnesium sulfate is an FDA-approved, over-the-counter laxative. The trick is to use it correctly. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of plain, unscented Epsom salt in an 8-ounce glass of water and drink it up. Within a few hours, it should help relieve mild constipation by drawing water into your intestines and gently relaxing your bowels. Just be sure to do this only occasionally and follow the directions. Taking too much is not a good idea, and you should check with a doctor if you're unsure. But in a pinch, this old-school remedy can save you a trip to the pharmacy. Who would have thought that the same salt you soak in could also help you, well, get moving? Ready to become a garden guru? Epsom salt might be your new secret weapon in the yard. It turns out many plants love the magnesium in Epsom salt. Sprinkle a bit around your garden beds or dissolve it in water for your houseplants, and you could see greener, lusher growth with more blooms and fruit. Gardeners swear by Epsom salt for roses, tomatoes, and peppers to give them a boost of magnesium and sulfur. Studies suggest that adding Epsom salt helps plants produce more chlorophyll, so leaves turn a richer green, and it improves nutrient uptake for bigger yields. And guess what? It's also a natural pest deterrent. Creepy crawlies like slugs and snails hate Epsom salt. By sprinkling a line of Epsom salt around your flower beds or veggie patch, you create a barrier those slimy pests won't cross. No more slug snacks on your hostas. With one simple pantry item, you're feeding your plants and fending off pests. Your garden will thank you, and your neighbors might be asking what your secret is for those vibrant blooms. Go ahead and claim that green thumb glory. Athlete's foot making you miserable? Tired of achy, stinky feet after a long day? Epsom salt to the rescue yet again. Give your feet an Epsom salt bath. Add about 1/2 cup of Epsom salt to a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This soothing ritual can help fight athlete's foot and even toenail fungus. How? Epsom salt creates an environment that's less friendly to fungus. It helps draw out moisture and has natural antifungal properties, so those unwelcome infections start to fade. It also eases inflammation and softens the skin, which can relieve itching and burning between your toes. As a bonus, an Epsom salt foot soak relaxes tired, sore feet and can even help neutralize foot odor. When you're done, you'll step out with feet that feel refreshed and clean. Say goodbye to funky foot issues and hello to happy feet. Flat, greasy hair bringing you down? Let's pump up the volume with Epsom salt. You can create a simple, at-home hair volumizer by mixing equal parts Epsom salt with your favorite conditioner. After shampooing, work this mixture through your hair and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt helps strip away excess oil and product buildup that's been weighing your hair down. The result? Fuller, bouncier hair with extra volume. No expensive salon treatment required. Epsom salt can even act as a clarifying hair rinse. For example, dissolve a couple of tablespoons of Epsom salt in a pint of warm water. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice too. And pour it over your hair, then rinse out. This will help remove hairspray, gel, and other gunky buildup, giving your locks a fresh start. With this hack, you'll be flipping your revitalized hair like you're in a shampoo commercial. No more bad hair days. Give it a try and enjoy that extra oomph in your hairstyle. So there you have it. 8 surprising uses for Epsom salt that show how this everyday mineral is nothing short of amazing. From soothing your skin and aches to cleaning your home and boosting your garden, a simple carton of Epsom salt can tackle a lot of jobs. For just a few bucks, you've got a multi-purpose remedy that can make life a little easier and cheaper. Next time you see Epsom salt at the store or in your cabinet, you'll know it's basically a household superhero in disguise. If you learned something new today, go ahead and smash that like button and share these tips with a friend who should know them too. Tell us in the comments which use surprised you the most, or if you've tried any of these. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more awesome life hacks and tips. We've got plenty more coming your way. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Before you go, be sure to check out our next video. You won't believe what other everyday item we're about to transform.